everyone, I am Adarsh. So today we are going to learn a very important topic, Kaggle. So are you aware about Kaggle? It is a data science company, very huge data science company in the world. So in this video we are going to cover some topics like what is Kaggle, what is the use of Kaggle, when it was made and how it was made, and when it was released by Google. So this 4 to 5 topic we are going to cover in this video. Yes. So what is Kaggle? A Kaggle is a data science company. So it is an online platform that hosts data science competitions, data sets, tutorials, and researches for data scientists and learning practices. So in simple we can told it is a data science company for data scientists where they can come and host a competition and win competition of data set in data science. So what is the use of Kaggle? So Kaggle serves a several purpose widely used by data scientists, researchers, educators, and organizations for the various regions. So as you know that Kaggle is very important for data scientists, educators, organization, researchers because it helps person to learn a data science. As you we have I have told that it is a huge company of data science. So it is very important for data scientists to use this Kaggle. So when it was made and how it was made. So Kaggle was founded in 2010. It the by Anthony Goldblum. He was an astronomer. He was the Australian entrepreneurship came up with the idea of Kaggle. So he works in a research bank. He works in the reserve bank of Australia for many years. From there only he get idea about Kaggle. So in Kaggle was founded in 2010. So this was I have already told some information about Kaggle. In 2017, Google has in 2017 Kaggle make the Google as a partnership. Google help from many things by Kaggle. Google support by web services, storage, and many more things. So this was a small things about Kaggle that you should learn in your data science field. Thank you.